Dye Brightening Face Mask for Summer. Ingredients: 2 TBSP yogurt, 1 TBSP honey, 1 TBSP lemon juice, 1/2 TSP turmeric powder. Instructions: 1. Mix ingredients. Combine yogurt, honey, lemon juice, and turmeric powder in a bowl. 2. Apply. Spread the mixture evenly over your clean face and neck. 3. Leave on. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse. Wash off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Benefits: yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens skin. Honey moisturizes and has antibacterial properties. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which brightens and evens out skin tone. Turmeric reduces inflammation and imparts a natural glow. Use this mask once or twice a week for the best results.